Hello everyone, in this series I will work with you on forecasting exchange rate. We will use Python to perform forecasting exchange rate based on the purchasing power parity, and I also introduce to you an example of using machine learning method. Okay, so very quick in that series I will show you how to import FRED data, of course using Python. We calculate inflation. We combine all of individual data into one kind of data frame, or you can imagine it like Excel table, something like that. Okay, I show you. Yeah, and then I will calculate the expected change in the exchange rate under the purchasing power parity. Then we calculate the expected exchange rate under the purchasing power parity. Okay. After that, we compare the expected rate and actual rate, and we will show the two rate in a chart. Yep. Then we calculate the forecast error. Okay. Now that is done with the purchasing power parity. In the following section, I will show you, how to use a learning machine model to forecast exchange rate. Okay, we will see how the fitting is improved over time, and we will pull out the forecasted exchange rate, right? Yep, and then we will calculate the forecast error. We compare the purchasing power parity method with the machine learning model, okay, to see which one is better, right? Yeah. And finally, I will include the expected exchange rate derived from the purchasing power parity model in the machine learning model to see if our analysis can be improved. Okay, so let's dive in the programming. Okay, so before start working on the programming, okay, we need to import some of the package. Okay, if you are familiar with Python or JupyterLab, you know what I am talking about. Otherwise, in JupyterLab, we have to run the pip install Panda data reader. Okay, let me run it so you can see. Yep, after a few seconds, the run is finished here. So basically, we have the Panda data reader. Yep, we can silence it now. This packet will help us to retrieve data from the Federal Reserve St. Louis database, okay, or FRED, as we did in manual. Okay, and after that, we will import some of the important package that we use, right? So here, number 2, yep. So that one, we import Panda, we import request to get data from FRED API, Matplotlib for kind of creating chart and date time. So let me run it, yep. So you see this one, it turned into number. It means the run is complete. And finally, we need to define in our data, we know that it can be like 20, 50 years or so. Over here, I will limit our data analysis from, say, okay, not too far away. Let 1990 to 2022. Okay, yeah, I put that one. Yeah, so now I run it. So now everything is set and done. So in the next video, we will start downloading data, calculate necessary kind of measure, and then do the analysis. Thank you.